You can install Explorer onto your headset so that you can install Aiden runners. Project Aiden onto your headset. Now, for the whole process, you're going to need a computer. You're gonna need and then your headset needs to be on developer mode. If it's not on developer mode, go into the app, and then there will be a process there, so you can go into the developer mode. It'll guide you through it. It's pretty simple. File Explorer. You're going to open it, and you will be here. You just want to click. Once you're gonna download CX File Explorer. This is the place I got it, so you just want to wait, like that, and once you just click that. You're gonna click on that up here, and then you will just click on the APK that's there, double click on it, and it will say down here, installing, and then once you have the green success at the bottom, you're done. Go back to your headset, go to App Library, click here, go to your unknown sources, and then if you have several unknown sources, you already have CX File Explorer installed. Go to CX File Explorer. Wait for it to open. Once it is open, you just click Downloads. You can push this to the side. Browser. Go to Discord. Now this process, you can do the same process that you did with CX File Explorer to get it onto your headset for the game. But it's easier to do it in your headset because then you don't have to go plug into your computer and all that. Go here, click download, and then it'll show up here. Once you just refresh, and it'll be there. Just double click on it, it'll say staging app. You just hit update or once it's installed, you'll be able to go into your unknown sources, and it will be there, and you'll be able to play it. It's going to be the name of the file minus the APK part. Don't open it from here. I'll show you what happens. And boom, it doesn't work. So I just go to unknown sources. Scroll down until you see the name of the file that you installed, and voila, it's installed. Look, it works. That's it. And you just wait for it to load. And please change your name. We like it when you change your name, even though it's like this is the base kind of thing. You'll start in tutorial.